Hello, and welcome to SISD-TV News, where we deliver the latest news about the Socorro Independent School District. In our top story, America's high school welding students were recruited by the city of El Paso to help with revitalization of El Paso neighborhoods as part of the city's Love Your Block program. The students used their skills to help fabricate a wrought iron fence that will be installed outside of a home in the Chihuahuita neighborhood.
Such a good experience for them. It's something to put on their resume. You know, just the fact that even if they're small projects, not all of them are small projects, but it's still good real world experience for all of them.
I feel like it's important just to give back. You know, she's obviously been there for a long time. It's a historical part of El Paso, like I said, and it feels good to be able to give back. And I enjoy it, and I do want to do it as a future job. And they say to do something that you enjoy, you know, for work. And so I really don't look at it as work.
To help out our community, and this is for a lady who wants to have like a separation between her and someone else and give her some more privacy, and like seeing like they're gonna be really happy about it, and we're basically making a change in their lives, like whether it's little or big. I feel like I'm pretty excited.
SISD GT first and second grade students were invited for a day of fun at the Technology Service Center. Students participated in hands-on educational activities to network with other students and showcase their innovative problem solving.
They have different activities for the students to be able to try to challenge themselves a little bit more as far as what they can do. The coordinator provides a certain idea. They don't have to follow the instructions. They can go ahead and create their own.
What we're trying to do is like help the turkey fly over stuff, try to build a catapult and make it fly over a wall.
Hueco Elementary School received a gift from the new Burlington Store at Eastlake Marketplace. Through its partnership with the national nonprofit organization adoptaclassroom.org, the store donated $5,000 towards school supplies.
We're very excited. $5,000 at a campus will do great things for students.
Today donated a $5,000 check to Hueco Elementary. At Burlington, we're big in providing back to our communities that we serve.
The teachers are going to be very excited, and welcome to the community.
Dr. Sue A. Shook Elementary School students and staff held a kindness pep rally together with PinkSockslife to promote and spread kindness. The school is also fundraising to send pink socks and handwritten letters of kindness and support to students in Uvalde.
4 years ago, we were here to gift pink socks to the kids here, and first graders who were the original Pink Socks, the OG Pink Socks crew here, are now fifth graders. The now fifth graders gifted all the new students for their pink socks.
When we had the incident that occurred in Uvalde, our student council here at Dr. Sue Shook Elementary decided to write kindness cards for all of the students in Uvalde. And then Pink Socks said that they would help us by donating socks as well to them, so that they could also see that although they had a very unfortunate event, there are individuals that are thinking about them and that want them to continue to be kind to each other.
Socorro ISD hosted the annual Virtual Advanced Academy Nights, where students and their parents had the opportunity to learn about the district's Advanced Academic Academy programs. Representatives from the academy programs presented information about the four-year programs, allowing students to learn and ask questions.
It's valuable. It's an extremely valuable tool. It allows them to make important decisions based on their interests. And the parents also get to have a sense of where their child wants to head into.
The people were saying something about how like you'll get like a associate's degree, and how some of them help with like you getting into college.
Again, the same word. It's comforting that this isn't something that you guys have available for them, helping these kids get into college.
Team SISD hosted its annual What's Poppin Pop-Art contest and showcase at the SISD District Service Center. The event featured bold, colorful artwork that highlighted items, ideas, and people in modern pop culture created by students and staff.
It's awesome, basically because a lot of the kids, they weren't familiar with pop art. And it's one of the things the teachers can use to introduce that part of art history to them.
It feels really awesome. I really love doing all the competitions that district has. It really gets my creative gears running.
It just shows the level of expertise that we have teaching our young scholars today, and you know, I think that everyone should be happy about that.
That's our show for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the latest in the Socorro Independent School District. Make sure to follow us on Twitter with the Twitter handle @Socorro ISD. Follow our superintendent, Dr. Nate Carmen, with the Twitter handle @CarmenNate. Also be sure to friend us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Team SISD, and visit our website. Thank you again, and see you next time.